Hey there! Here are tips to land clients as a beginner freelancer. 1. Start a website. Starting a website is one of the best ways to showcase your skills and expertise as a beginner freelancer. If you have an account on professional platforms like Community, where your potential clients are, constantly sharing links to content on your website would position you as an expert in your field. 2. Have the right mindset. The right mindset can affect your dedication to your career as a beginner freelancer. If you do not believe in yourself, you are more likely to fail. As you start your freelancing career, develop a positive mindset and keep growing. 3. Choose a niche. Choose a problem you want to solve in a market or sector. Choosing a niche also narrows your focus to the skills needed to excel in that niche. 4. Identify your skill set. To identify your skill set, list your current skills and interests. List other skills needed to excel in your chosen niche. Fill out the gaps in your knowledge by learning ruthlessly. 5. Offer free or discounted services. Offering your service for free or at discounted price can help you land jobs faster as a beginner freelancer. For discounted services, Community Hot Deals feature is designed specifically for beginner freelancers to sell their services at a discounted price and land clients on timer. Once you start getting clients, you can increase the price for your services. 6. Get on relevant social media platforms. Community, for instance, is a professional platform that connects global business owners, freelancers, job seekers, and career professionals. The platform has impressive features for both beginner and expert freelancers. As a beginner freelancer on Community, post projects at discounted price in the hot deals section. This allows you to land clients on time. To get started as a beginner freelancer, go to www.community.com.